the BC da and opem so wetimi ayo so no de untimi predict ne se ne opem so be yesei anase che no opem so be yese obianka bi nhemu opem so aba na de nani akire mu ewo enkran mantemu na de no opem so koya opem so se ono no opesa post adwumekuo no etimi gina brane esan so onum na ebo ye ho ban se de be ye nipa bonfo bia enso etimi mesi awra ewo ba bia ye te ye mantem ahodo nyina na fei ye kura ahodo ayetimu nyina etu opem so na fei na chidifo nyina ebo wura mu ewo nkran ya ehe na opem so ko na kukuku se ya na 90 cha won wo fura eye de fe se bia kente kama pamcho ye Facebook page so na pictures ni videos na do so pen t-shirt se na fa no nyina egu so etimi fama ye Inspector General of Police IGP
eni de di kan ya eye Otumfuo
onomnyamfo Christian teteyonu na so ye na opem so etimi koye ene pani behwe na wo mo hyase na opem so etimi koduru ye na chese o masalai na woso edoso woso pa woso na woso ho na we introduction woso pa na doso na abra eye opem so ekokoduru ye no ene odi nsem bebre etimi de tu dwa se we die eye defense bi ansra ana watimi aba oba besra eye posi eye adwumakuo no na watimi aba omodi no omodi nkomo kakra komo pii ana etimi koso na mom edu ba bi de ye na ebokotodwom ye pa no se wode wasebo ko de ma IGP se oba ye nyamerim nukuro ni ne bonsemati ko wo bon homodi ye wone ne boys ana fen girls ni nyina aka bo mu obo bu adwumaso ama bambo ho nsem so atimi agina brane ewo krom ase ya eno so ono timi de sabaso no bo no ko de ma IGP ne no achi eno se sabaso bo no de ama wo no wo mo nto so na se bi adwuma na wo yo a wo mo ama eho ate no entimi nyina saa ni kwa se mo ye professional adwuma ene ade be che no na se makwa akoni bibie ho eba no se nya de betimi aboa ema gidi amanfo enya wo mumu no etimi atoa so ne nsem pii ena opem so etimi ne tudwedu ba bi mpo no na opem so nso ne de ba bi obekro bia no obetimi mo bia na ewura ho no ono so etimi ase no opem so se minim se ne pa me ba bedi la we so na metimi di line so sa nanka menya post atade se anka mepe nanso o ka kira GB se nyame adom na kina bi opese osan ba besra omo a omo ma no post atade na ono ohene enso entimi hye mo menti ensem bia opem so ade tu dwa na dua yi ewo IGP omatene kese a eno ewo nkran no.
This is not a routine or a mere ceremonial visit. It is intended to be a landmark event, marking a moment in history where two ancient responsibilities meet to begin a momentous conversation. So, the guardianship of values and the enforcement of law. One institution draws its authority from ancestral memory. The other draws its mandate from the Constitution. Yet both exist for one sacred task, the preservation of order, dignity, and peace in society. So, before we proceed upon the historic journey, let me, in the spirit of the new year, convey a message of glad tidings to the gallant men and women who make up the Ghana Police Service. So, we come with abiding gratitude to each member of the service, from the lowest constable to the top leadership gathered here today. So, for your selfless sacrifices to keep us safe over the year, and we bring you hope for progress and prosperity in the years to come. So, the Ghana Police Service is one of the institutional legacies bequeathed to us by our former colonial rulers. From the first Ghanaian who took over the mantle of leadership from the departing colonial commander, the highly distinguished Erasmus Ransford Teria Majite, to the energetic leadership assembled here. So, today, the police service has gone through many challenging epochs. Changing political circumstances have impacted on the service in different ways. But it is fair to say that through it all, the service has maintained a level of commitment and professionalism we should be proud of. So, ordinary courtesies extended to us this morning, watching the ladies parade. I thought I should have worn my police dress to be here. plead of the IGP to give me a police dress so next time when I can be a policeman. But this honor is not intended to me alone, but duly shared with the entire community of traditional rulers who are the guardians of culture. I'm pleased to be joined by NI President and other traditional council members. I hope they share this honor with all of us.
Abisanfo wey eya Asantehene mechire Otumfuo opemso abre nei okopie mu ewo enkranmantam honomo na wode eye nchia kase pa de koma IGP na cheseka IGP ono na policy eye defense sadom no ehye eye omunyina hye nase eno ade sansem wi ede ekotodwa ewo no na efe pa videos no ai bi ene wo no